For our containers. Let's go into the house. This is the first floor. The front is 19mm double glass wall. This is ceiling. Totally for offices in first floor. Let's go upside. We also install the LED light in the steel ceiling. The second floor have 2 dormitories. The electrical wire are wrapped. All the window is double glass with screen. The glass window looks really beautiful. All the house are stick the PVC leather floor. The another 2 rooms are offices. The column, the glass and the 7.5mm thickness rock wall panel are all connected perfectly. You can decorate inside as traditional office.